Hello friends, Moncupa here, certified fitness trainer and former obese person. For this video, we're gonna do MyFitnessPal installation, setup, and then we'll also track a few things just so you can see how it's done. Yeah, let's begin. So first things first, you have to open the App Store on our device, right? So switch cameras for a bit. Open the App Store, just search MyFitnessPal, you'll see it there. I already have it installed. We're gonna open it, right? If you have a fresh install, this is what you will see. So we're gonna do sign up for free, continue. My goal is to lose weight. I'm pretty active. I'm 27, I'm in the Philippines, I am male. And then next is I am actually 5'8", yes. And then I'm 16, I wanna be 185 by the end of this cutting phase. Next, you want to lose 1 pound per week. So the slower you lose weight, the safer it is, the more sustainable it is, the easier it will be. Although downside is it will take more time. But my advice is if it took you like a year to gain weight, expect a year to also lose weight in a manageable, like not getting in the way of life type of way. Next, create an account. Okay, so once we have that, we're gonna move ahead to my phone, which is where I track my food intake. So we have here, this is the home screen, right? I have here a 2-scoop protein shake that I want to add some carbs to. Carbs are important. They are awesome for performance. You need them as fuel for a workout. Don't be afraid of carbs. Don't be afraid of rice. Don't be afraid of pasta. Carbs are great. Now, what I want to do, you're going to need a food scale for this. So I'm going to put my shake on the weighing scale. And then I'm going to have it go to tare. So tare means 0. So basically, if I add some weight, it'll see there. If I remove the shake, you're gonna see how much this whole thing actually weighs. So tare is 0, right? I'm gonna put that there for now. And then we're gonna get Koko Krunch, awesome fast carbs. Don't be afraid of sugar if you have like no insulin or diabetes problems. Sugar is amazing, right? So now, how do we track Koko Crunch? We're gonna go to diary, we're gonna do add food, and then we're just gonna search Koko Crunch. We have it here, and then it's very, very simple. Yeah, just basically we're gonna add however much. Oops, spilling a bit. 30 grams of Koko Crunch, and then we're gonna put here on our phone now number of servings. So a typical serving seems to be 100 grams. Is that true on the box? The box actually says 30 grams is a serving. So we're gonna do 30 servings of 1 gram because 30 times 1 is 30, right? But simple math, very easy. So now I know I've added 23.2 grams of carbs to my shake. It is that simple. And then now just press check, and I can see there it's tracked. It is that simple. No need to worry about it. Try it yourself. If you have questions, let me know down below. Yeah, that's it for today's video. One more thing, by the way, how to read labels. So we're gonna see here, I'm gonna use as a demo this popcorn. The box says 20 calories per cup. But me personally, I have no idea what a cup is. I don't bake. Please don't get mad at me for that. So it's 3 bags, but it's 20 calories per cup. Does that mean 1 bag is 20 calories? Not necessarily. So we'll go to the back here, go to the side rather. Servings per bag is 2.5, about 12.5 cups popped. You can see here that 1 cup popped is 20. So 1 bag is equal to 20 times 12.5. 1 bag is 250 calories. That's still not a bad deal, to be honest. Very filling, low calorie, relatively. This is a good food for weight loss. Yeah, so always remember what the manufacturer will say is a serving might not reflect how we actually eat it. So you'll see some people label their food as like 50 calories per serving, but 1 serving is like 3 bites. Be wary of that. Please count your food properly, log it in properly, and good luck on your weight loss journey. See you next time.